Came straight from the holding area. Didn't know what's happening here. Thank you for coming. Hope you enjoyed the AV. Working in this film has been one of the most fulfilling experiences for most of us, and especially for our director, Ashutosh. You can see how full and filled he looks. No, but seriously, I was talking to him about his next venture and asked him, "What's your next project?" So he looked at his stomach and he said, "Six-pack abs." So I said, "Well, this year's taken about 2 years to make. I wonder how long that will take." Yeah, I can't imagine the delays on that one. I'm just standing here very, very grateful, in full gratitude that I've had the opportunity to work with such good people, great talents. People ask me how is the music of this film, and I just look at them and I say, A.R. Rahman. And they get this broad smile on their faces and they nod in wonderment, as if to say that nothing more needs to be said, because when it's A.R. Rahman, it's beyond judgment. That's the extent of his greatness. So I just want to thank everyone. Thank you Ash, thank you Ash. thank you Jodha Akbar, thanks for just happy that I got a chance to be in such a great film made by such a great team. Also thanks to the best crew that I've ever worked with. Yeah, where's the cheering, guys? That's nice. Totally magnificent job done, guys. Thank you. And thank you everyone for coming. I hope you have a wonderful evening and a wonderful year ahead. Thank you.
Good evening, everybody. Well, Hrithik hasn't left much for me to say. I absolutely echo his sentiments. This has been a terrific experience working with you, Ashutosh, and the entire team. Thank you so much. Thank you, Rahman. Thank you, Javed yet again. Always a pleasure, each experience unique and a terrific memory. Thanks, Ronnie. Thank you, Hrithik, yet again, and a completely different genre, but always a pleasure working with you. To the entire cast and crew, terrific team, very, very hardworking. Thank you for every day. It's been a long journey, but a very fulfilling one, and God bless you all. You're a sincerity personified, commitment personified, and you all truly deserve the kudos. So a huge round of applause, please, for the whole team.
I would now like to call upon an actress who graciously accepted playing the part.
Just like to say a few words.
Good evening, everybody. Sabko mera namaskar. I must say it's wonderful having a son like Hrithik. It was a pleasure. बहुत अच्छा लगा काम करके इतने सालों के बाद. और
Sonu Sood, who essays the character of Sujamal, the brother of Jodha. Thank you, Sonu.